I know how it feels to be alone in your own thoughts, in your own head. You know, especially with the suppressed emotions, I've struggled with that a lot for a very long time
Mm.
because I was taught you gotta be a man. You cannot show your emotions. You gotta hold it together. So as I grew older, something was really, really bothering me. And I didn't know what it was, but I knew something was bothering me. And I could either took the route of keep on going through this journey without realizing what's happening, or I could dig inside and dive deep inside my heart, soul.